I got the wow factor for me, and a lot of friends that I've shown it to feel the same way. Spent a lot of time over here, but I've just noticed the cement starting to crack, and where you'd spill oil or acid or whatever, it was discolored. I just happened to notice this little ad that talked about steel-coated epoxy floors. So I called and talked to Bo, set up an appointment for a free appraisal, and he showed up right on time. Everything was very comprehensive and understandable, and I was very pleased with how it all came together. I'm more concerned about the people I deal with than anything else, and I was impressed with Bo. I thought he was a very straight-up young man. That's really what sold us. They performed exactly like they said they would. Everything was in a timely manner. I have no criticism, and that's uncommon for an old man like me. They were just exceptional. You know, if we're going to do the shop over here, let's do my garage. So we ended up doing both. I absolutely would recommend steel-coated epoxy floors to anybody, and I have my friends. It's all aces.